A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark case currently before the U.S. Supreme Court, justices are grappling with the contentious issue of whether public funds can be used to support religious charter schools. This case has the potential to redefine the long-standing constitutional boundaries concerning the separation of church and state. During a 2-hour argument session, Chief Justice John Roberts emerged as a critical voice, displaying skepticism towards some of the arguments presented by the lawyer defending Oklahoma's exclusion of religious schools from its charter program. The case centers around St. Isidore of Seville Catholic Virtual School, which Oklahoma has excluded from its charter school funding due to its religious nature. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, one of the conservative justices, expressed concern over the exclusion, labeling it as rank discrimination against religion. This sentiment was echoed by 4 other conservative justices who appeared ready to challenge the notion that states can impose a secular requirement on their charter schools. On the other side, the court's liberal justices maintained that the Constitution allows states to establish public secular schools without the obligation to fund religious education. Justice Sonia Sotomayor raised poignant questions regarding the implications of allowing charter schools to operate without teaching essential subjects like evolution or history, particularly regarding sensitive topics such as slavery. The implications of this case extend far beyond Oklahoma, as it threatens to disrupt charter school systems across the nation, potentially affecting laws in up to 46 states, and challenging a federal law that has allocated billions of dollars to charter programs since its inception in 1994. This law mandates that charter schools must be both public and non-sectarian, a principle that has been a cornerstone of charter school legislation. With Justice Amy Coney Barrett recusing herself from the case, the dynamics of the ruling could shift significantly, leaving the court divided on this critical issue. As the justices deliberate, the nation watches closely, aware that their decision could have profound consequences for the future of education and the interpretation of religious freedom in America. The outcome of this case could either reinforce the secular nature of public education or pave the way for a new era where public funds could support religious educational institutions, fundamentally altering the landscape of American education and the relationship between church and state. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.